Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to rename the group on DocuSign. So for that guys, first of all, you will need to log into your account on DocuSign.com and then select settings. Now scroll down, on your left side select groups. Now here if you scroll down you can see the latest group that I have created. Now you need to select your group's actions button and then select the second option which says rename group. Now you need to select the group name which you have given to it, and now you need to delete it and then enter a new name. After that select the save button, and that's how you guys can successfully change the name of your group on DocuSign. So that's it for the video now. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.